Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find hidden apps on any Poco phone. Now, if you have hidden some apps on your smartphone by using the hide apps option in the security app, just like that. And if you want to find the apps you have hidden, just go to your home screen and swipe with 2 fingers. Now from here, you can access the apps you have hidden. Now, if you want to unhide the apps, just go to your home screen and open the security app and tap on hide apps. Now from here, just disable the apps you have selected. Now from here, once you have the selected apps, just go to your home screen. Now from here, you can find the apps in your app drawer, just like that. And if you swipe with 2 fingers, you cannot enable this option because the apps are not hidden. And this is how you can find hidden apps on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.